Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add video effects on your videos in CapCut. So you're just going to select effects over here, then click video effects, and here are some of the trending ones that you can choose from. For instance, this rolling film. You can also adjust the filter and the speed. Then you're just going to press the checkmark button, and then you can sort of extend it so it goes through all of the pictures that are in the video. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!